Mm, 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 mm. Come from a place where people don't care. Swear to God, it's a living nightmare. It's a living nightmare. Come from a place where people don't care. Swear to God, it's a living nightmare. It's a living nightmare. You come from a place where people don't care. Swear to God, it's a living nightmare. People change the weather, dog. So you better beware, cause people don't care if they hurt you. They don't care if they all feel dirt, yeah. They don't care if they have to exploit you. Feel get what they want in a life, bro. So watch your back, cause them will stab you in that. Don't forget the people, them in the Bible. Judas, sell out Jesus Christ. That's why me don't trust in mankind. No matter what you do, them not go kind. Because them just too wicked and bad mind. Red eye, them too damn deceitful, them evil. Same people you walk with and you talk with have a hidden agenda. Them a real pretender. Dog, that's why me not trust in people. Them so evil. Me not trust people. Them wicked and deceitful. Come from a place where people don't care. Swear to God, it's a living nightmare. A living nightmare. Come from a place where people don't care. People only want to see if you use you and abuse you. But that the only reason them I go choose you. And then them a go lose you. After them done fucking use you. People, them too fucking corrupt, vicious. Them so malicious. That's why I made the state to myself. Cause I know some people evil and cruel. Them want use it for them gas, dog. Them don't want use their own fuel. Dog, me I tell me come from a place where people don't care. Swear to God, it's a living nightmare. A living nightmare. Come from a place where people don't care. People don't care. Come from a place where people don't care. People don't care. It's a living nightmare.